What's up YouTube? Back at it again with the Nike Air Jordan 9. This is a chili red 9 and I think this is a great shoe. Jordan 9s are great. Super iconic colorway. Sorry, super iconic sneaker in a very bright colorway. These pop on anyone's feet. And if you need a pair for yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. All I can say is it's all red shoe with some black accents. Jordan 9s are great, comfortable, iconic. Red is great. What's not to love? I'm gonna throw these on. Like I always say, StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. You should probably get yourself a pair of these if you're like a serious sneakerhead. Not even just that. If you're like a fan of Jordan 9s, if you're a fan of Jordans that are flashy, I should say, this is definitely for you. I'm probably going to get a lot of hate in this video for wearing some skinny jeans with these Jordans, but I don't think they look too bad together. Let me know what you think of the fit in the comment section below. I mean, the footage speaks for itself. It's a shoe, it pops, it's a Jordan. If you want a Jordan that captures people's attention, there's nowhere else to go. And these aren't even too expensive right now. A lot of the other Jordan 9s that have come out have skyrocketed in value, so I would maybe check these out. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description and the Amazon one if you're looking for a nice pair of jeans or joggers to go with the shoes. Gotta admit, there's some nice patent leather accents on the shoe. And of course that iconic Jordan 9 sock inside. That lining, I should call this lining, it's not really a sock, but it makes the shoe very comfortable. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.